I've been doing this beat for about 20, 30 years now, and Twit. Oh yeah, Twit. Let's see. Yeah, I know Twit. Everybody knows Twit. Herb, can you stop it?
Twit can win a game of Connect 4 in only 3 moves. It's a fucking impressive thing.
You know, there's endless debate about a human soul. Well, I'm going to tell you, it does exist. And Twit finds it particularly delicious.
Oh, I know that, Bluebird. We have some, business to finish.
I know.
Hey, shut your mouth.
Sorry, boss.
When Twit plays Monopoly, it affects the actual world economy.
Oh, this is my favorite episode.
Orange. Hey, Orange. Hey, did I just hear my name?
Twit has a deep and abiding respect for human life.
I swear I keep
Unless it
hearing my
gets in his
name.
way.
You're not watching that episode of Bad Birds again, are you?
Well, it's not always about you.
Orange, I got an order from Postmates coming. It's gonna be some cheese orbs. Don't eat the cheese orbs. Orange, we ran out of toilet paper again. I think it was your turn this time. I think I can use a towel, but it's not gonna be pretty.